Hello students, welcome back. In this video, I am going to provide you all the question answers of chapter 4, the Mesopotamian civilization. The exercise D says answer the following. The first question is, where did the Mesopotamian civilization develop and why? The answer is, the Mesopotamian civilization developed in fertile land between the Tigris and Euphrates River. The Mesopotamian civilization developed because of the land which was very fertile and fit for human settlement. Question 2. Name the 4 regions which contributed to the development of the Mesopotamian culture. Answer is, the 4 regions which contributed to the development of the Mesopotamian culture are as follows: Sumer, Akkad, Babylonia, and Assyria. Question 3. Name some important rulers of Mesopotamia. The answer is, some important rulers of Mesopotamia are as follows: Sargon, Hammurabi, Ur-Nammu, and Tiglatho-Pileser I. Question 4. Who were the main gods of Mesopotamia? Answer is, the main gods of Mesopotamia are as follows: An, Enlil, Enki, and Ninhursag. What is cuneiform is the next question. The answer is, cuneiform is a script of wedge-shaped signs developed by the Sumerians in the Mesopotamian civilization. Now children, you have exercise E in your book, which you don't have to do. Exercise E. Instead, I am giving you my own questions, so you need to do those in your copy. The first question that you need to do is, explain briefly the Mesopotamian script. Answer. The Mesopotamians developed a script of their own called cuneiform, as the symbols used were wedge-shaped. They used to write from right to left, but at that time they had neither the paper nor the pen or pencil to write. So they used to write on wet clay tablets with a stylus made of reed or bones. Okay, so there is a small grammatical mistake here, typo. Instead of on, you have to write or, reed or bones. Now let's move to the next page. Question number 2. Who was Hammurabi? What was his code of law? Answer is, Hammurabi, the famous Mesopotamian ruler, was much concerned about the welfare of his people. He wanted to be a just ruler and therefore made a code of law, dealing with every aspect of human life. The code, consisting of 282 of his legal decisions, is engraved on a stone slab. Question 3. Mention the importance of the structure in Mesopotamians. Now, instead of writing this structure, you should write ziggurats. Okay, children? So I could not upload the picture of a ziggurat. I wanted to upload a picture also, so could not upload it. So now you, instead of writing mention the importance of this structure, you should write mention the importance of ziggurat in the life of Mesopotamians. The answer is, this structure was important in the following ways. They served as a temple. These were also the centers of education, and lastly, they also served as centers of trade. Question number 4. Mention 3 probable reasons for the decline of the Mesopotamian civilization. Answer is, The three probable reasons for the decline of the Mesopotamian civilization are as follows. First one is there was overcrowding in the cities. Second option is poor irrigation techniques. And the last reason could be floods, which damaged the crops and property. So, children, write down these question and answers in your history copy. Thank you.